3:30 और ये मैडम सो रही है अभी तक। गुड मॉर्निंग। Hello guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So welcome to my YouTube channel, and here is your most awaited video right here. You guys wanted me to show you what I do in my daily routine, and no, I haven't just woke up. It's 6 in the evening, and yes, I haven't had shower yet. So I'll definitely go and have a shower. I just had my tea, and now most probably I will go and take a shower. Then at 6 p.m. I have a meeting to attend. I hope this vlog will go pretty successful and I could post it. So yes, now you can wait and see that what I do in my whole day. Like whole day क्या पूरा दिन तो निकल गया है, बट अब जो आने वाला दिन है, लाइक आई विल ट्राई टू शूट इट, मैं टुमारो एंड करने का सोच रही हूँ इसको, बट लेट्स सी हाउ इट विल गो. सो keep on watching. So as I told you that I will be in the meeting, and I look like so bad at this moment, but the meeting is going on. The meeting is going on. Obviously you cannot see, but it's going on, and we'll catch you up at 7 maybe. Okay, as promised, we are in the park and हम सोफिया को घुमाने आए हैं. तो यूजुअली हम सोफिया को पार्क में घुमाने नहीं लाते हैं बिकॉज हमको डर लगता है डॉगीज से, बट आज फॉर अ चेंज, बिकॉज वो भी लॉकडाउन के बाद बाहर ही नहीं गई थी, तो जस्ट थॉट कि हम उसको भी बाहर निकालें. एंड बट हम उसे बहुत मुश्किल से लाए हैं, बहुत सारे डॉगीज थे. सो यस, हम 1-2 राउंड कटवाएंगे इसको एंड फिर हम घर जाएंगे. मुझे बहुत सारा काम है घर जाके. मुझे एक वीडियो एडिट करनी है और वी आर प्लानिंग टू मेक समथिंग स्पेशल टुडे बिकॉज आई एम ब्लॉगिंग. सो एंड मुझे अपने वॉशरूम का कबर्ड साफ़ करना है जो बहुत गंदा हो रहा है, बहुत दिन से डिले हो रहा है. सो प्लानिंग टू डू इट टुडे, एंड आप लोग देख भी लोगे बट हाउ आई क्लीन माई स्टफ. मुझे लिटरली इसमें ना इतनी गर्मी लग रही है मास्क में, ऐसा लगता है कोई सांस रोकता है मास्क पहन के, बट यू गोटा डू व्हाट यू गोटा डू. सो घर से बाहर ना निकले मास्क के बिना, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ऐसे अब तो बोलने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं रही है, सबको पता है क्या करना है ना. जब कोरोना का डर बहुत कम हो गया है, लाइक पीपल आर सिटिंग हियर, चिलिंग हियर. मैं बहुत कम आती हूँ पार्क. लाइक आई प्रेफर डूइंग साइकिलिंग रादर देन कमिंग टू पार्क. लाइक साइकिलिंग में मैंने 1-2 दिन ही किया. सो आई वॉन्ट लाई. 3 गो. सोफिया, हाय कॉफी. वो देखिए, तो इसको तो हर जगह आराम चाहिए बस. बाय सोफी. सोफी बाय. हम जा रहे हैं, घर जा रहे हैं तेरे को छोड़ के. इतनी ढीठ है, इसको पता है नहीं जाएंगे. आलसी होने की भी एक हद है सोफी. जब गोदी लेना है, घूमने आई है, घर में भी तो रहती है तू गोदी में. ओके, सो हमने सोफिया का घर छोड़ दिया है एंड हम साइकिलिंग कर रहे हैं. हम लोगों ने एक राउंड काट लिया है. अभी सरिता की बारी है, उसके बाद फिर से मेरी बारी होगी. तो या इट्स अ प्रिटी बोरिंग लाइफ. से हाय क्रिस. मास्क तो ढंग से पहन ले. ओके, सो अब हम पास्ता बनाने लगे हैं एंड इट्स 10 o'clock in the night and now we'll make pasta. So let's go. Okay, we have chopped capsicum, onion and our pasta is boiled. Now we'll do all the shebang like cooking. Okay, so I just made the pasta and I don't know why my skin is looking so tired. I don't know why. Like, can you see? I don't know what's up. So our pasta is ready as I've shown you. So let me have it. It's nice. Like I think tomato थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. But वैसे it's nice. Okay, अब क्रिश खा रहा है पास्ता and he'll tell us कैसा बना पास्ता. बताओ क्रिश. Nice. पहले जैसा या पहले से better या पहले से बेकार? पहले से सही है. Like I'm not feeling कि पहले से सही है. Please give us your reviews, your valuable reviews. He's a camera shy, like देखो शर्मा कैसे रहा है लड़की जैसा. Okay, so I changed up my clothes and now as I told you earlier that I will be cleaning up all the mess which is in my washroom, and it has been pending up from what, like a week, and the condition is pretty damn अच्छी नहीं है वैसे. So there are a lot of sections that we have to sort. So the first section is this, and this has all my stuff which I use on a daily basis. And then we have like a column over here where we keep our body washes or face washes that we use on a daily basis. Then we have this almirah over here where I keep all my extra body washes and body scrubs, face scrubs, hair mask, some extra intimate washes, shampoo, conditioners, serums and all that jazz. So I will be running up today this, so stay tuned. Okay, so we are taking out all the stuff from the almirah first and seeing that what I need to declutter and what I need to keep. So I've kept this empty conditioner over here, and if I'm gonna get me lazy home and what I do. See, this is all the stuff that is hair, some body washes, and my hair products as well here. My hairsprays, my extra body washes. I have a lot of body washes because your girl is obsessed with body washes. This one is really nice. It's like a foaming body wash. And do let me know if you want like a washroom tour or something like that. It's a hair mask. Again, very very nice. Really like this. This is chocolate, and this literally feels like chocolate. You're applying chocolate on your body, and this is so good. I just scrubbed my body 2 days back. So yeah. So basically I'm keeping my body washes over here. So क्योंकि पीछे जाएंगे because ये obviously daily use नहीं होते. They are like my backups. So piyama, have my shampoo and conditioner जो obviously आगे रहेंगे because obviously I use them on daily basis. And I have this green apple body. What is this? Shampoo. I don't like it. I don't like it. Like it leaves so much white cast and it even makes my hair oily. And dry shampoo ये नहीं करता because it just soaks up the oil and it doesn't do that. That's why ऐसे roll रहा है. And I have this new heat protectant that I haven't used. So yeah, we'll sort this off. Okay, so it's all sorted. I know the light is pretty shit over here, but it's all sorted. As you can see, I have all my hair things right here, like my conditioner, shampoos, and my hair mask, and some of my hair things. My scrubs are over there. Do let me know if you want like a washroom tool. I can just give you like a better glimpse of that in the light. Now we're moving ahead to this drawer. I have my basket and pretty dirty mask foundation. We'll sort this off right now. Okay, so it's all sorted. I have my brushes and all. I have all my mask here. I'm so sorry it's not opening. I don't know पता नहीं क्या हो गया इसको. But I have all my Good Vibes mask over here. I have cotton pads, cotton, and some talcum, some earbuds, some basic necessary stuff that you see in a washroom. So yeah, I'm so sorry for that, the weak one. And now I will get to this shelf right here. This is like one of my most used shelves after that. So yeah, you can see I have my toner here, I have my makeup remover stuff here. Okay, so it's all tied up and we lighted up the candles as well जो मैंने आज तक नहीं जलाई थी, and we installed the cells as well, so it's working properly. We washed up that plant which is artificial, but this corner is looking pretty presentable now because ये पहले बहुत ही गंदा लग रहा था. And yeah, okay, calling it a day as I haven't done my skincare yet and I will do it, and I don't think मुझे वो दिखाने की ज़रूरत है because I have a lot of videos on my Instagram and my YouTube channel as well that you can see my skincare, that what I do. And yeah, my skin is looking pretty bad. I don't know why यार, वैसे मेरी skin सही रहती है, but आज vlog करना था तो उसने कहा कि let's get, I don't know. So it's 12:10 and I will most probably do my skincare and call it a day. I will most probably go to sleep. I will try to. Nahi to I will just chill around, watch some movies, and then we will sleep. आप classes क्यों नहीं लेते हो बेटा? बताओ. घर में कोरोना नहीं है. सब पूछ रहे हैं कि क्रिश क्लासेस क्यों नहीं लेता, और ये देखो ये स्ट्रीम्स देखता रहता है यूट्यूब पे, इसे कोई सच में काम है नहीं. क्रिश. Okay, so he's least interested. Okay, so I'll most probably do my skincare. मैं कितनी बार बता चुकी हूँ ये. And I had my dinner, as you have seen. We made pasta today. And yup, that's that. Meet you in the morning. Hello guys, welcome back to another day. And you might be wondering, I'm all set, but I need to go. मतलब मेरे को कहीं जाना था सुबह सुबह. I went out for something. Then after that I came back and I was pretty tired as I am planning to shoot a lot of content today, but literally I'm not feeling like, because I slept pretty late yesterday. Like I slept in the morning. I think I won't shoot today because I will edit this vlog which you will watch on Wednesday. You might be watching it right now. Let me know if you guys like these kind of vlogs. I will do this more often and I'll be waiting for your reviews. So yes, that's that. So yep, I'm signing off from the vlog and I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. I'm pretty nervous to put up the vlog over here, though I have a couple of vlogs on my channel. I will link it in the description, but I am actually not really sure that how they are because they haven't really performed well. So I was little skeptical because I think vlogging is not my thing. So yep, that's that for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like this video if you like, if you want me to vlog more, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram for some juicy beauty content. So yep, that's today's video. Bye bye. Mwah.